In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data in HubSpot. First, let's prepare your import file. You will need to create a spreadsheet in either CSV or XLSX format. This is crucial because HubSpot only accepts these file types for imports. As you open your spreadsheet, make sure the first row contains the column headers. This helps HubSpot understand what data you're importing. For contacts, include essential fields such as email address, first name, last name, and phone number. For companies, you'll need the company name and domain. If you're importing deals, include the deal name, amount, and close date. For tickets, the ticket name and status are required. Ensuring these fields are correctly set up will save you time and prevent errors later on. Once your file is ready, it's time to start an import. First, sign into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the CRM section. This is where all customer relationship management activities take place. After that, look for the import option and click on it. Now you will see the Start an Import button. Click on that to proceed. At this stage, you will need to choose exactly what you are importing. This could be contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. This choice is important as it directs HubSpot on how to handle your data. Next up, let's upload your file. You will see a prompt asking you to select a file from your computer. Click on that option. Navigate to the location where you saved your CSV or Excel file and select it. After choosing your file, click Next. This step is vital because it allows HubSpot to access the data you want to import. Once you click Next, you will be taken to the next part of the process. Don't worry, you're making great progress. Now it's time to choose the import type. Here you will select the type of import that matches your data. This could be a one-time import or a recurring one, depending on your needs. Selecting the correct type ensures that HubSpot processes your data in the way you expect. It's a small but critical detail that can affect how your data is handled in the future. With your import type selected, it's time to map your fields. This step is crucial for ensuring that the data in your file aligns with HubSpot properties. You will see an interface that allows you to match your file columns with the corresponding properties in HubSpot. Take your time to check that each field is mapped correctly. If you find that some fields do not match existing properties, you can create new properties as needed. This ensures that all your data is accurately represented in HubSpot, which is essential for effective data management. After mapping your fields, you are almost finished. The next step is to complete the import. First, confirm your import settings to ensure everything is correct. This includes reviewing the fields you've mapped and the type of import you've selected. Then, make sure to agree to the data processing terms. This is a necessary step to comply with data regulations and to protect your information. Once everything looks good, click Finish Import. This action will initiate the import process, and you will see a confirmation appear shortly after. By following these steps, you have successfully imported data into HubSpot. You can now leverage this data to improve your customer relationship management. With your information in place, you'll be better equipped to manage your interactions and drive business growth. Thank you for watching, and happy importing.